early as now, if you want the success of all of your coaches, despite of fear, do it anyway. Kaya ka siguro takot mahusgahan kasi ikaw napakalaking judger. Pwede kang pagtawanan, pwede kang magpakamali because ang tawag dyan, practice lang. Because it's no longer about the battle of the strongest or the battle of the smartest, the battle of who is more aware. Fine, hindi follow instruction. That is not okay. Simple instruction and yet you still go back to your comfort zone without thinking. It's not okay. Are you happy with your body? Yes! Give them a hug! Good morning.
Good morning.
Raise your right hand if you feel happy. Yay! Palakpakan natin ang lahat. Alright, tama ba? Raise your right hand if you feel confident. Wow, palakpakan natin ang lahat. Raise your right hand if you feel successful as early as now. Yay! So, success. Tama ba? Yes. Sumakses ka na yan. Right? Tama ba? Yes. This is what we want. Happy, confident, and successful. Yes or yes? Yes. However, i-rewind natin nung dumating kayo dito. Right? It was the opposite. Tama ba? And here's the thing, yun bang body nyo dati, kakilala nyo or stranger? Stranger. And how come it was not automatic? How come you came in here with the same friends? How come you came in here just watching? And if that is how you operate in your life on a day-to-day basis, I'm sorry, but happiness, confidence, success will not happen. Ask me why. Because we all box ourselves. And a lot of times we call it comfort zone. It's not. Familiar zone. Now, bakit hindi automatic ang mag-reach out, makipagkilala, makipagkwentuhan? Bakit hindi automatic sa atin? Kasi merong fear. Klaro ba? So I'm pointing that out because as early as now, if you want the success of all of your coaches, despite of fear, do it anyway. And a lot of you know what to do, yes or yes? Were you told by your coach na, oh, umayos ka, magbida-bida ka doon, yes or yes? Yes. Kung ako ang coach mo, I have to say that. To force you to step up your game because again, ang kalaban natin, ano ito? Doubt. Tama ba? Yes. And above all, we now go to a certain worry. Because why do you think we have fear, doubt, and worry? Because if we look at this man, this is you. Who is this? Me. Nasaan yung tao? Ang tawag dyan, limiting box. And this is the saddest part. Ask me what's the saddest part. 9.9 out of 10 is living in the limiting box called comfort zone. Why do you think people are so afraid to go out of their comfort zone? Bakit kaya? Thank you. Palakpakan natin. Here's the thing. Kaya ka siguro takot mahusgahan kasi ikaw napakalaking judger. Yun lang yun. So kung hinuhusgahan yung mga taong nanguhusga, kasi ikaw rin malakas manghusga. Yun lang yun. Because here's the thing. Whether you do something or you don't do anything, you will be judged anyway. So you might as well do something. Because why? Those people who's doing something about their life, about their dream, they're successful, they're happy, and they're confident. Those people who don't do anything about their life, about their dreams, and they just watch, and that is where you will stay for the rest of your life. Another fear, apart from judgment, what would that be? Rejection or failure. And this is the best part. And this is where I'm happy and excited because I want to see a better Philippines through the young people that we have right now. I want you to say after me, fail fast.
Fail fast.
Which is the faster you fail, very good, congratulations. Kasi you can still take a lot of risk. Bakit? Wala pang umaasa sa inyo. Wala pa kayo binabayar na kuryente, nakikikain pa kayo. Mahirap mag-fail kung nasa 30s or 40s tayo kasi yung mga tao umaasa sa iyo and you will still stay here. Repeat after me. Fail fast?
Fail fast.
Ask me why.
Why?
Because you failed cheap. Mura pa. So what I don't like especially for interns, okay, walang ginagawa kasi matakot mahusgahan, matakot magkamali, walang nangyari. Mas galit pa ako na hindi mo ginawa kaysa ginawa mo nagkamali ka. Why? Because I want you to fail fast. There's no such thing as safe. When you fail fast, you fail cheap. But the most important part here is number 3, fail forward, which is learn from it, grow from it. So therefore, if you want to expand yourself and grow, ask me how.
How?
Go out of your limiting box. Klaro tayo? And I want you to make sure that you are doing whatever it takes to stay in the danger zone. While you are still young, when you are starting your career, when you are starting your business, you have to enjoy the danger zone. Where do you need to enjoy? Danger zone, yung pwede kang husgahan. Pwede kang pagtawanan, pwede kang magpakamali because ang tawag dyan, practice lang. Here's the thing, 9.9 out of 10 people I know who's not creating the life that they want because they never went out of their familiar zone. Pakisabi sa katabi mo, friend, it's never okay, to be unhealthy. Klaro? Yes. And yet we call it comfort zone. Sabi mo, friend, it's never okay, to be depressed. And yet most of us are just okay by it because we're comfortable with it. No, it's not even comfort zone. It's just a familiar zone. But this is the worst part. Ask me what? It's never okay to be broke. Hindi okay na nagmamakaawa ka sa pera because at the end of the day, if you're broke, that's your fault. Because may kakilala ba kayo niyan as early as 9, 8 years old, 10 years old, kumikita ng bonggang-bongga, yes or yes? Teenagers, kumikita, yes or yes? Now we have examples of success that we are now living in the best, the most beautiful time to live. Believe me. The only way you can be rich in the past, in the 1900s, ask me how. Factory economy. Kailangan mo magkaroon ng factory. In the 1950s, it has reached its limit, and therefore, large corporations are there. And 1950s, importante ang PhD, MBA. Those who have PhD, MBA can still make it. Ang tawag dyan, large corporation economy. What's it?
Large corporation economy.
So dati, it's the battle of the strongest. Sino ang pinakamalakas magtrabaho at magkaroon ng factory? Sila ang pinakamayaman. In the 1950s, it's already the battle of the smartest. Whoever has PhD, MBA, they're also the best of the best in terms of income. Yes or yes? Now, nagtataka ba kayo? Right now, there are a lot of young people na hindi nakapagtapos ng grade school. Na hindi hardworking, but they're very, very successful, very inspiring. Yes or yes? Because it's no longer about the battle of the strongest or the battle of the smartest, the battle of who is more aware. What's the word?
Aware.
Who is more awakened. What's the word?
Awakened.
Who is more conscious. What's the word?
Conscious.
That success is never about hard work or smart work, but success is already creating your identity. What's the word?
Identity.
Self-esteem, self-worth, self-identity. And if we work long enough, hard enough on our identity, everything else will just follow. Can I share with you what's your identity? Can I share with you who you are? Sabihin mo sa katabi mo, you are a beautiful creation of God. Tapos tingnan mo yung itsura niya. Sabihin mo, bakit hindi beautiful? Kasi hindi nag-aalaga. Yung mga itsura niyo, mas patanda pa kayo sa akin. Fresh ba si Coach Ras? At 55 years old? Ask me why. Extreme self-care. Ang tiyan nyo, mas malalaki pa sa akin, punyeta. Bato-bato sa langit, ang tamaan. Kumain ng madami sa lunch kasi masarap ang lunch. Pero sana alagaan ng katawan. Are you with me? Again, today, we're gonna put you out into a lot of danger zone until masanay kayo. Ask me why. Because your work, if you want real success, is we want you to take all the risk in your life. I took the biggest risk the other day in my life. Ask me what? Right? Kasi birthday ko na. Tapos marami namang regalo dumarating. No? Grateful ako, may regalo sa akin. Pero hindi ako masyado okay kasi I'm very minimalist. Ayoko na may mga gamit, may mga abubot. The lesser, the more happy I am. So when I receive gifts, hindi ko binubuksan, no? Yan si Nadine tsaka si Dayan, nagalit sa akin yan December, nagbigay sa akin ng napakamahal na regalo. Ang ganda, hindi ko nabuksan, may nangaroling. Hindi ko alam, binidyo pala ni Manang. Inabot ko yung regalo nila doon, hindi ko binuksan. So ganun po ako, hindi po ako masamang tao, iba lang po ang preference ko sa buhay. So anong pinakamalaki kong risk, no? I still want people to bless me. And basically, I want them to bless me the way I want it to be blessed. So hindi ko na alam anong gusto ko. Yun pala yun, pag sobrang dami mo ng pera, hindi mo na alam anong gusto mo. Hindi totoo. Parang, anong gawin ko dito? Parang, hindi ko na siya pinapangarap. Ask me why. Pinapangarap pala, bilihin na. Sabi ko, okay, project. No? So, nakita yung fish pan ko. Okay, so gusto ko siya maging clear, magkaroon ng koi. Sabi ko, okay, pagawa ko yan. At any given time, kahit ngayon, pwede ko siya pagawa kasi I have it. But here's the thing. I want my friends, I want people who love me to participate and allow myself to receive. So, nag-post na ako. Kung gusto nyo magregalo, i-DM nyo ako. May project ako. And then, marami. Anong kailangan mo, boss? Sabi ko, pera. Tapos, scam ba ito? Kasi hindi sila makapaniwala. Klaro ba? But here's the thing. I took the biggest risk. Ask me why. Mahuhusgahan ko. Akala ko ba mayaman? Ba't nangihingi ng pera? Naghirap na ba yan? Or ang pinakamasakit na husga, ask me what? Bukang pera. Sabihin mo nga sa katabi mo, friend, buka kang pera. Mas okay yon kaysa sabihin mo, friend, mukha kang walang pera. O anong gusto nyo? Letter A, mukhang pera, mukhang walang pera. O bakit ka ba hurt? Klaro ba? And here's the thing, it might fail. Baka walang magbigay. Buti lang, first 10 minutes, kota na ako. Salamat sa mga sponsor, Carl. Klaro ba? I was not even expecting that, Carl. I was just expecting 1% of that. And I'm so blessed to say, kulang pa yon sa dami mong binigay sa akin. So now, I'm identifying a different shift for myself. But I want to take the risk. Take the biggest risk, always be in the danger zone. Are we learning? Yes. Take a deep breath, inhale, exhale. Okay, partner B, stand up. Partner B. Si partner B lang. Stand up. Hurry up. Okay. I want you to act fast. Okay. Act in urgency. Okay. Partner B, pakisabi kay partner A. Partner A. See you later. Find a new partner. Ready? Begin. New partner. Hara. New partner. Go. Go and sit down. Okay. Okay. Para mas... Okay, listen up. Common sense. Kung partner B ka, kumanap ka ng partner A, nakaupo. Common sense ba? Yes or no? Common sense. Alright? Partner B, stand up. Find a new partner that is sitting down and sit down with them and say, can we partner up? Can you have my soup, please? So ano na? You must have a new partner. Hanap ng bagong partner. Sino pang walang partner? Taas ng kamay. Sino pang walang partner? Okay. Sino pa? Bakit nawalan tayo? Mayroong dalawang partner B, nagpartneran. Okay, ulit tayo. Back to your original partner. Nakita ko na, kayong dalawa. Guys, I want you to listen to my instruction. Ayokong paulit-ulit. Simple lang instruction ko, makinig kayo and follow it. Klaro? Yes. I only have one day with you. Be sharp with the way you think. Huwag tayong paulit-ulit. Simple lang naman yung instruction ko. Tama ba? Yes. Partner B, you're standing. Tama?
Yes.
Parehong partner B. Okay. Ito pa, hindi nag-follow instruction. That is not okay. Simple instruction and yet, you still go back to your comfort zone or just do it na lang without thinking. It's not okay. Partner B, you're standing. Tama? Yes. You're looking for a new partner A who's sitting down. Are my instructions clear?
Yes.
Let's do that in 5 counts. 5, 4, 3. Sino pang wala? Taas ang kamay. Ba't walang partner to? Alright? So simple. Yes. Now here's the thing. Was I angry? No. I was just resolute. Can you please write the word resolute? So which means kung yung coach nyo, mataas ang boses, kasi gusto ko magka-result, wag tayong tatanga-tanga. So wag niyong masamain. And I want you to use the word anti-fragile. What's the word? Anti-fragile. Ibig sabihin, ano mas maganda? Yung leather belt or yung glass na wine glass? Ano maganda tignan? Leather belt or wine glass? Yung maganda tignan? Wine glass. Pero pag yung wine glass, pitikin mo isang beses, basag. Pero yung belt, pag hinampas-hampas mo, over time, mas gumaganda, pumapangit. So which is, I want you to be that leather belt. Not the wine glass that is fragile. Bakit? If you're given feedback, at kung may kapalpakan, tatampo-tampo ka, kung ako ang coach mo, you're out of my life. Because remember, you're supposed to pay us. You know Migs Flores, kilala nyo? Yes. He's paying me 50,000 pesos when he was still an intern. And that's for 2 years. And you're not even paying us money. And we're paying you through our talents, through our gifts, but make sure you must treasure this when you are given feedback. At huwag niyong i-interpret yung tumaas ang boss ninyo na pinagalitan kayo. Hindi. That's really important. I'm taking the risk here. Effective, ineffective. Umayos, hindi umayos. Yeah, I don't care if you hate me. What I care here is you're here because you have a thing to learn, and I want you to learn this right now. Are you with me? Yes. Take a deep breath. Are you happy with your new partner? Yes. If not, you can pretend. All right? So partner A, can I see your hand? Partner A, for 90 seconds, i-share mo kay partner B ano yung pinakamalaki mong learning about this. But the most important learning that I want you to share is, what are you learning about yourself? Don't give partner B the concept, but give the partner B, alam mo partner B, ang natutunan ko, kaya pala yung buhay ko maliit kasi nasa limiting box ako parate. Bakit? Kasi ang dami kong takot. Saka yung pinakatakot ko na judgment is tanga ako, bobo ako, paulit-ulit ko narinig yan. Kaya siguro pag ganito ko all the time, I will fail. Kaya yung success, confidence, and happiness, hindi ko nakita. But siguro right now, I'm gonna challenge myself to go out of my comfort zone, to step into my danger zone, and I'll do it despite the fear. Are you with me? Yes. Do not talk about the concept. Talk about what are you learning about yourself in this poster. 90 seconds. Ready? Begin. Thank you, love you. Gusto ko ito long form, tapos yung mga sharing, wag na take cut, pero mabilis lang. Pwede?
Parang snippet lang na okay may mga sharing na gagano.
Hindi. I-speed lang. Mga times 5 yung speed sharing para tapos na and then lecture na kagad.
Okay, so all throughout nakarecord.
Bakit hindi in all throughout to? Hindi niya in all throughout?
Hindi, kinat yung pag-sharing. Gusto raw bumati ng attorney after break punta niyo.
Sino ang attorney?
Hindi ko pa alam, sabi ni Gwen.
Sino ang attorney?
Puntay mo dito.
Thank you. Palakpakan natin na malakas. Partner B, are you learning from partner A? Yes. Instead of affirmation, what I am learning about myself while I was listening to you. Are we clear? What I am learning about myself while I was listening to you. That's only 1 minute. Ready? Go.
Hindi tayo fully, that they're safe. And that's where yung sa box. Their judgments doesn't fully know. And pinaka-importante na
Right? Palakpakan natin ng malakas. Partner A. Happy ka kay partner B? O, kamayan mo. Sabi, best friends na tayo. Ayan. Partner B, okay, pakita mong matalino ka rin. Magaling ka rin. Yung learning ko tungkol sa aking sarili, sa poster is, share about yourself, not the learning, because the learning is my job, not your job. Your learning is learn about yourself. Are you with me? 90 seconds, partner B. Ready, begin.
so what? learn lesson or learning sa mistake na yun? And what can I do? And what things can I do?
Thank you. Palakpakan natin ng malakas na malakas si Partner B. Partner A, did you learn from Partner B? O kamayan mo, sabi mo, grabe, genius ka. Partner A to Partner B, 1 minute what I am learning about myself while I was listening to you. Ready? Begin.
Parang gusto ko siyang gawin kasi totoo nga yung nakakatawa ko kasi iniisip ko pa natin just yung gusto ko yung natatanong ko tapos is wala ko na sa pangatlong is wala ko na kasi wow.
And palakpakan natin si Partner A na malakas na malakas. Partner B, kamayan mo si Partner A. So best friends na nga tayo. Take a deep breath. Inhale and exhale. Do you feel happier now? Raise your hand. Do you feel more confident now? Raise your hand. Do you feel successful now? Raise your hand. Now, if I may ask you, this is your second round. Go out of your comfort zone or familiar zone. Yes? It's a good practice. Do you feel blessed? Do you feel wealthy? Yes. Do you feel that freedom? Yes. Do you feel that fulfillment? Yes. Yeah, and we make judgment and failure so real that it's not even real. Are you with me? Yes. So in a moment, I'll be sharing with you a most powerful concept na natutunan ko. Kaya kung nasaan ako ngayon, bonggang-bongga. Maganda ba yung bonggang-bongga? Yes. Yun bang tipong katulad niyan, di ba? Nag-fundraising lang konti sa aking fish pond. In 10 minutes, kota na ako. Right now, 10x na yun. Ask me why. Because naintindihan ko to. Galing to sa concept ng Johari window. What's the word? Sino dito narinig nyo na yung Johari window? Ulitin ko, Johari window. Hindi pa rin. Hindi narinig. Okay. Ang sabi daw sa Johari window, tayo bilang tao, there's 4 windows of ourselves. Are we clear? Yes. Now, what do you notice about the size of the window? Pare-pareho, iba-iba. Iba-iba. This side is the window that yung alam mo at itong side alam ng ibang tao. But there's one side that is actually what we call unknown. What's the word? Unknown. Hindi mo alam kung ano yan. And our job here is to get here. But here's the thing. A lot of times, pag mayroong pinagawa sa atin na hindi natin alam anong nangyayari, karamihan, excited or fear? Fear. And here's the thing. Everything that you want in your life is actually in the field of unknown, and you just have to go there. Are you with me? The first window is the smallest window. This is what we call the show window. Bakit siya show window? Pinapakita mo kung sino ka at alam ng ibang tao. At dito ako nalulungkot because the older we get, the smaller our show window is. The next window here is a window na ikaw lang ang may alam, hindi alam ng ibang tao, but maybe also who else knows about this? The one who created you. And we call this your hide window. What is this? Hide. Yung mga tinatago mo tungkol sa iyong sarili. And one thing for sure, I know about human being is the reason why we hide a lot of things about us simply because maybe one time we were hurt, one time we were judged, and all of a sudden we don't show up to the world. Ask me why. Why? Because maybe our experience that is on a dark side, takot tayong mahusgahan. Takot tayong masabihan ng hindi maganda, and that's why we don't show most often. So katulad ngayong umaga, how many of here, you know it's important to connect with people? You know it's important to network with people. But it did not happen. You stayed where you are. Did you see me? Did I stay where I'm at? Or I was just hugging and connecting and talking to as many people as I can? How many of you binalak mo kagabi bago, Lord, pagdating ko doon, hindi ako magkoconnect, wala akong pakakilala, magtatago lang ako. Binalak ninyo. Notice that. But how you showed up is your programming. And yet, maybe we're so afraid that our dark side, the things we don't like of ourselves, will be exposed. It doesn't matter. You know what's the worst part? Ask me what's the worst part. Because you're hiding dark side about you, you're also hiding the good side about you. Bakit tayo takot ipakita yung ating kagalingan, especially sa mga bagong community, bagong samahan, bagong pagkakaibigan? Bakit tayo takot ipakita yung ating kagalingan? Judgment. Anong judgment ang takot natin? Mayabang. Bida-bida. Epal. Mas gusto ko yan kaysa walang ginagawa. Sabihin mo sa katay mo, friend, sa Genesis, bawal ang nakatago. Kasi ang tawag ni Coach Ras, sa behavior na yan, walang kwenta. So para sa akin, mas gusto ko bida-bida ka. Kaya naman ako nakarating dito sa Genesis, kaya ako nagkaroon ng 34 na bonggang-gongbang kumpanya. Ask me why. Oh, bida-bida ako. Kung ayaw na pagbibida-bida ko, okay lang. Maraming nakaka-appreciate sa pagbida-bida ko. Kaso lang, we're hiding it. Kaya lumiliit yung buhay natin. Now, what do you notice about the third window? It is the biggest window. And this is what they call your blind spot. What is this? Ito yung hindi mo alam tungkol sa iyong sarili, pero alam ng ibang tao tungkol sa iyo. Ito yung nakakatawa. Mas marami pang nakakaalam tungkol sa iyo kaysa sa iyo. So may kilala kayong taong mabaho ang bunganga? Bad breath? May kilala kayong ganyan? Alam ng buong opisina, siya hindi niya alam. Klaro? Now, our job here is to make sure to show up every day. What's our job?
Show up every day.
Magpakita ka araw-araw. Parang sun. What if 5 araw ang sun naka-leave? Kumusta ang ating pangkabuhayan? Dugyot. Madilim. Guys, my life is so big, enormous, gigantic, happy, excited, no matter what. Ask me why. Just like the sun, I show up every day. Walang kapaguran. Today, did you see me show up?
Yes.
Level 10?
Yes.
Excitement?
Yes.
May bayad or wala? Abonado pa ako. Because I know that the more I show up, the more blessing will run after me. So which means the first formula, what's the first formula? Number 1, self-disclosure. What's the word?
Self-disclosure.
Ibig sabihin, make sure that you start sharing more of who you are. Both things that you don't like about yourself and things that you like about yourself so you can bless more people. Keep on showing up. Keep on opening up. Now, if I may ask you, second person na ang kapartner mo, gumanda ba ang buhay mo ngayon or mas pumangit? Oh, kasi bakit? Nag-self-disclosure ka. Nagkwento ka tungkol sa iyong sarili. Nag-share ka. Klaro? Now, if I may ask you, yun bang body nyo, dati nyo yung kaibigan yan, or ngayon yung naging kaibigan? If you were to give this relationship a score of connection, 10, mataas, 1, walang ka-connect-connect, with this body of yours, anong score niyo generally? 10. 90 seconds of you self-disclosure. But the most important part here, you have a 1 minute giving and receiving feedback. You gave feedback, you received feedback for 1 minute. Can you imagine? Dalawa kayo, that's 3 minutes, plus what, in 5 minutes, sinabi nyo level 10 kaagad ang connection. Tama ba? Raise your hand if that's level 10. And that is the window of unknown. You'll never know that this body of yours can be a friend for lifetime. But here's the thing, you choose not to show up. You choose to hide. You choose to be in your box. Why? Because your love for judgment, your love for failure is bigger than you wanting to serve the world. Here in our internship program, you are not allowed to hide. Yung sinabi ni Eko, nagkatanggalan, okay? Every month, magkakatanggalan sila. Ano ang basis? Ask me what? Number 1, are you showing up all out? Because if not, you'll be voted out. Even if you keep on showing up all out, are you open to receive feedback? Kasi kung pikon ka, kasi kung ayaw mabigyan ng feedback, wag na tayo magtrabaho. I will repeat that. Kung pikon ka, madali kang ma-hurt, kasi na-feedbackan ka, wag na tayo magtrabaho because we don't want to work with someone who's very fragile. Sabi nga ni Wendell, ikaw mag-adjust. Not only to your coach, but to people around you. It's your way of expanding. Are you with me? Yes. So which means, at the end of the day, your job every day is to continually showing up. Are we clear? Yes. Bawasan mo yung hide window mo. Lakihan mo. But don't just show up every day. Make sure that you're giving feedback. Magpasabi kayo. May sabihin si coach, may sabihin si mentor, at sa tingin nyo hindi mag-work, magsalita kayo, boss, mentor. Ito yung pinagawa mo, boss, ito yung suggestion ko, mukhang hindi mag-work yan, subukan natin to. Do you think matuwa si boss? Yes. Exactly, that's the way we want you to support us. Make sure you have number 2, from anti-fragile, number 2, critical thinking. Mag-isip kayo na mas magandang paraan. And you do that in terms of feedback. Now, what will happen here if you keep on showing up, ano ang nangyari sa iyong show window? Lumalaki ang tawag dyan, your growth. And your job here is to keep on growing. Because when you're growing, we offer you partnership. And when you are my partner, this is clear. Financial freedom, time freedom, fulfillment. That's available to you. Because we're not looking for employees, we're looking for partners, and you are my future partners. Gusto nyo ba? Yes. Ang tanong, gusto ko ba? But here's the thing, the more you show up, the more you grow, the more you give and receive feedback, what tends to happen? That means, even if you're not yet perfect where you are, just keep on showing up, you keep on expanding, up until one day, you're now bigger in your danger zone because you're now stepping into your effective zone. Nasanay ka na. Nahasa ka na. Kasi hindi ka tumigil. At nawala na yung kaba, nawala na yung pagdududa, nawala na yung worry because you have expanded to this one. Are you with me? Yes. Then keep on showing up. What happened to you? Here's the thing, gaano kalaki ang mundo at ang blessing sa buhay? Tell me how big.
How?
Tell me how.
How?
Walang katapusan. Just keep on showing up, keep on giving and receiving feedback. And when you get used to it, the best part here is you are in your limitless zone. The goal here is not to have a lot of money. The goal here is to be in your limitless zone so that if money is what you want, it will always be available like an air. But are you willing to show up every day? Are you willing to speak up, give, and receive feedback? Because if not, wag na lang. Because your ultimate work here is really understanding, and repeat after me, my job or my business is never about my job or my business. But it is about my rate of self-evolution. And you call that ROSE. Evolve. Evolve. Because the world is evolving, and if you're not evolving, you're out of the game. Lalo ngayon, AI na. Lalo ngayon, everything is digital. Lalo ngayon, ang bago ng mundo, hindi ka pa nagbago, patay tayo dyan. And you're blessed. Ask me why.
Why?
Because again, you're not here just to do videos for us. The video for me is just your way of paying me to support you. But have as many offer as you can. Until one day, people who you're serving can no longer live without you, then they offer you partnership. You know, ang money architecture ko, what's the word? Is never a businessman. And I don't like it. My money architecture is supporting the superstars. And because I support the superstar in a humongous way, then people cannot live without me. Then, they offer me partnership. That's why meron akong 34 companies, hindi ako nag-found niyan, hindi akong CEO niyan, pero ako yung taga-support sa kanila. Diba? Kanina kay Diana, nagpaalam ko, Diana, nagbago na kasi siya. Coach, okay lang. Kahit wala kang deliverable, no? Alam mo naman sa Genesis, sa kalahatan ko, pero kailangan may deliverable. Tama? Si Coach Ross, may deliverable? Wala. Zero. Just by your mere presence, we're blessed already. Do you want to get into this space, limitless? Ask me how. Evolve every day. That you're better today than yesterday, but not as much as tomorrow. At iyan yung ating aaralin ngayon. Rate of self-evolution. And the highest form of self-evolution, ask me how. Ask me what? You are a spiritual being. Beautiful creation of God. And therefore, we go back to that. Because when your self-identity, when your self-image, your self-worth is not equal of the limitless, then you become limitless. Which means, if you are serious becoming limitless, ask me what's the first thing? you need to start really changing what's inside. And that change is equals your growth up until one day the caterpillar is already dissolved, then you become a beautiful butterfly. Saan kaya nadidissolve ang caterpillar? Cocoon. And you will always be in this zone. Are we learning? Yes. Partner B, stand up. Kailangan ko pa ulitin ang instruction or alam nyo na anong instruction? Okay, at the count of 5, ang hindi nakaupo na may bagong partner, maghuhugas ng pinggan ngayon. Are we clear? In 5, 4, 3. Taas ang kamay, yung wala pang partner. Okay, again, be active. Sino pang walang partner? Right? So, excuse me, guys. I'm just frustrated. Kung wala kang partner, taas mong kamay mo. Klaro? Sino pang walang partner? Bakit kulang tayo dito ng isa? Okay, so Lucky, you're not supposed to be here. Okay, so I need one here, please. Jim, dito ka na. Okay, so again, nasisira ang system and structure kung merong hindi out of agreement. Again, guys, as early as now, ayoko na magpapuntik-puntik sa inyo. Okay lang ba? Wala na tayong dating tsaka honeymoon stage? Yes. Ask me why. This is the only day I have with you. I'm not even sure if I still have another day this year with you. But I want you to remember this. Most important part, if you can train yourself to be, number 1, detailed. Precise. Number 2, concise. Ikaw yung pinakamaasahan. Are you with me? Yes. Take a deep breath. Inhale. And exhale. Partner A, are you ready? Partner A, 90 full seconds. Pakishare kay partner B. Alright? What are you learning about yourself? Okay, eto naman, lecture na ito. Partner A, raise your hand. Okay? I-share mo ka partner B anong ibig sabihin yan. Tsaka saan yan nagagamit sa buhay. Can I share mine? Yes. Right? Nung gusto ko magka-content creator, hindi ko alam paano maging content creator, that is my unknown. So what I said, gusto ko maging content creator, kahit pagtawanan ako, then people started receiving feedback. Now, I understand that the content creation not only give me 10x, but 100x of palette had I not fully disclosed and fully held back. Same thing with Genesis. Kung hindi ako nagpakita, wala ako dito. Kung hindi ako nagbigay ng feedback, wala ako dito. Kung hindi ako marunong tumanggap ng feedback, kahit masakit, wala ako dito. And this is how I create a life that I cannot even imagine living right now because life is beautiful when you know the concept. Are you with me? Yes. Partner A, go ahead. Talk about the concept of Johari. Ready? 90 seconds, begin. And palakpakan natin. Are you happy with your partner? And give this person a high five and say, I'm happy. Raise your hand kung tumaas ang level ng happiness nyo. Wow! Tumaas ang level of confidence, success, feeling blessed, feeling freedom, wealthy and fulfilled. Wow! Notice that. Notice that experience. And what I'm trying to say here is always step into your danger zone. Hindi na nagiging danger yan kung ikaw ay sanay, nagiging effective zone mo na. Katagalan, this will now be your limitless zone. Exciting ba yon? Yes. And that is where I'm at right now. Pwede ba mag-share ano ang ini-enjoy ko bilang limitless being? Yes. Tulad niya ito. Number 1. Work and play become one. Now, anong na-notice nyo kay Coach Rice right now? Is Coach Rice just playing in front of you? Yes or yes? Yeah. I'm having fun. But is this also my work? Yeah. I'm your CFO. Maganda. And that is where we will all lead you. We're not just going to give you money. We're not just going to give you freedom, but going to give you a life wherein work and play become one. Ask me why. Why? The biggest bullshit in the world is what we call retirement. I'm 55 right now, and for the past 20 years, I don't remember working. I only work because I want to. Ito, hiniling ko ito. Tama ba, Diana? Hiniling ko to. Gusto ko magkaroon ng time sa mga interns. Kasi ginagawa ko yung gusto ko, yung mahal ko. But of course, I did not start that way. Please write this. If you're willing to do what is necessary and difficult at first, your life will be fun and easy. Dito yan. Willing kang gawin yung dapat mong gawin, kahit mahirap, pag nasanay ka na, life will be fun and easy. Next sentence, but if you are only willing to do what's fun and easy, your life will always be difficult. Huwag na tayong lumayo, no? How many of you here nalulungkot ka dahil siguro yung mga magulang mo medyo hindi ganun ka happy, hindi ganun ka successful, medyo financially hirap? Raise your hand. Okay. They're not bad people. I'm just sad because hindi na-introduce sa kanila ito. Ang pagka-introduce, mag-aral ka ng mabuti para makapagtrabaho ka, para pag nag-retire ka, happy at successful ka. Wala pa ako nakitang happy, successful na nag-retire. Because the older they get, the more people becomes a burden. And this is what we're teaching you here in this internship. Most important, valuable lesson that you cannot get anywhere. And the only reason why I'm always refired, not retired. What's the word? Parang umaapoy. No? Sino ito? Ilang beses nyo napanood sa stage, nagpagkwentuhan, nag-learn session, raise your hand. Right? Kumusta ang level of refinement ni Coach Ras? Dati, tulad ba dati? Or the longer it takes, the more lumuliyab. Ask me why. Because maybe I paid my dues. I paid my tuition fees. And I practiced hard enough, long enough, hard enough, long enough, up until right now, kahit wala akong gagawin, kusang lumalapag. Maganda ba yon? Yes. So, number 1, work and play becomes one. Number 2, immunity to overwhelm. Anong ibig sabihin? Yung being busy is not part of my vocabulary. Stress and anxiety is not even part of my vocabulary. Pressure is not, I don't even know what pressure is. Lahat sa akin excited lang. Sino dito, no? Nagbe-message ka sa akin, hindi naman tayo close, pero sinasagot kita, taas ang kamay. Matagal lang sagot, mabilis. Anong klaseng sagot? Thumbs up lang or talaga totoong sagot? Oh, tapos kayo pag pinessage, after 3 years, buti sana kung maganda. Buti sana kung mayaman. Daming arte. Huwag ganyan. Gusto ko sanayin niyo yung sarili niyo to do what is necessary. Is responding immediately necessary? Is it hard at first? Exactly. But right now, I'm so used to it already. Immunity to overwhelm. Number 3, direct access to the creative source. Oh, yan si Nadine at si Diana. Araw-araw na kami kasama niyan. Akala ko hindi sila mag-learning session, pero grabe pa ang kanilang mga notes, nag-recording pa. Bakit? Ang aking trabaho ngayon, daloy-daloy na lang. Kusang lumalapad, kusang lumalabas. Ask me why. Because maybe I'm directly connected to my limitless being, to my source, and I allow the source to work in me, through me, by me. Maganda ba yan? Yes. Number 4, win-win all relationship. What does it mean? Every hurtful, painful relationship that you went through, naintindihan mo, kailangan mo siyang pagdaanan. At dahil naintindihan mo, kailangan siyang pagdaanan, you'll just say, thank you, Lord, sa regalong ito. Kasi mag-expand ako, mag-grow ako, mas magiging magaling ako ng tao dahil mas mapapalapit ako sa Lord, because the reason why you're having trouble with relationship because we're very judgmental. Do you believe that your God is a non-judgmental God? Yeah, that's why we're hurt, because we judge people. Ika nga, hurt people, hurt people. So the faster you release them, the faster you thank them, the faster you bless them, oh my God, the more blessing will run after you, and that's why I understand win-win all relationship. Maganda ba yan? Number 5, abundance in all areas of life. Such as what? Abundance of health. Abundance of relationship. And eto pinaka-best part. Ask me what's the best part. Abundance of what? Abundance of money. Now, hindi ko sinasabi na I have all the money in the world. In fact, lagi ko sinasabi, kahit hindi ako magtrabaho, in the next 50 to 100 years, buhay na buhay na buhay na buhay ako. Ask me why. Why? Kasi naintindihan ko na yung aking bangko ay hindi BDO, BPI, Security Bank. Tanong niyo sa akin, ano yung bangko mo? Ano? Frequency Bank. And yung Frequency Bank is really the supply of my Creator. And all I have to do is align myself there at never akong magugutom. Alam mo, sa totoo lang, no, never akong tumingin ng aking bank account, savings. Wala akong alam anong meron ako ngayon. Pero kung makapaggastos ako, wagas. Hindi ako nagtitipid. The more nagkaka-crisis, the more ako nagwawaldas. Ask me why. Because I trust His supply is always more than enough. Eh, huwag kayo kumanta ng never enough, never, never, never enough. Talaga never enough ka kung ganyan ka. Never kong tinitignan. Pero wala akong time na magtipid tayo. In fact, nagagalit pa ako pag nagtitipid. Bakit mahirap ang Diyos mo? Kailangan mo tipirin ng buhay? Abundance in all areas of life. Sige nga, income, inhale. Expense, exhale. Okay. May nagtira ba? Ha? Meron? Okay. May nag-budget ba? Bakit? Because yung self-identity, what's the word? Self-identity. That you trust that the air will always be there. What if? What if? Yung ating self-identity na para tayong mga ibon, Sabi nga ba, look at the birds in the air. They don't work. They don't harvest. They don't even store in the barn. And yet, they're happy. They're confident. They're successful. They're free. They're a blessing. They're wealthy. They're fulfilled. Ask me why. Because wala silang takot, pangamba at worry. Kasi naniniwala sila sa source nila. Baka siguro takot ka, worried ka, baka ang source mo is ibang tao. Baka ang source mo, negosyo mo. Baka ang source mo, ang boss mo. Baka ang source mo, ang bayan mo. Lahat yan, pwedeng tanggalin, pero ang source mo, permanent. Abundance in all areas of life. Exciting ba yan? Yes! Next is ease and flow. Yan. No? So, sino dito, you have worked with me already? Raise your hand. You have worked with me already? Alright? So, Jana, ako ba'y complicated kausap? Marami mga instruction ko anong anek-anek? Or ease and flow lang ng ease and flow?
Ease and flow and then.
Mas masarap pa yung ganyan? Yeah, and that is me being able to trust God to support me with whatever God brings is and flow. Lastly, meron tayong tinatawag na bending reality. So, ano yung reality, no? Reality ba yung tao pwedeng maglakad sa tubig? Never pa ako nakitang tao nakapaglakad sa tubig except isang tao. Sino siya? At anong sabi niya? Even to the least among you can do the things that I have done, even greater things. Maganda bang farm ni Coach Russ? Yes. Sobrang ganda. January 2020, okay, I went to Bali with my friends. Eat, pray, and love kami doon. And we went on a space wherein yung tinirahan namin, puro glass house na ganito. Tapos may mga bamboo, may fish pond. Tapos, surrounded by with rice paddies. Tapos, di ba kita mo summer na summer? Pero hindi ganun kainit. Because rainforest po ito. So sabi ko, gusto ko ito. So what I did, I collected group of friends in our mastermind meeting group. So I said, mag-declare tayo ng gusto natin. Can I share with you what I declared? Yes. I see myself as I pray to God on or before my 70th birthday. I'm living in the middle of rainforest, walking barefoot every day, surrounded with rice paddies. Then March pandemic. Then lahat, walang kitaan, walang negosyo. Kasi lockdown. By March of 2021, before my 50th birthday, binigay sa akin to, aking-akin. Possible. But are you willing to pay your tuition fees? Are you willing to keep on practicing up until nasanay ka na? Up until one day, you are just enjoying a limitless life. Are we clear? Partner B, please stand up. Okay? So, I hope this time perfect na, ha? Alright? Partner A, kung ikaw wala pang partner, huwag ka lang manood. Magtawag ka. Klaro ba? Magtulungan kayo para hindi magwawala si Coach Russ. Can we do this in 5 counts? Yes. Go! 5! 4! 3! Sino pang wala? Bakit sobrang na naman? Sino pang wala? Alright, just raise your hand. Thank you. 2 and 1. Okay? Partner A, you will begin. Partner A, talk about limitless being. Among the 7 characteristics of a limitless being, alin dyan yung feeling mo, okay, na master ko na yan, lagi ako niyan, at saka alin dyan, yung gusto mong i-master sa buhay mo. Are you with me? You have 90 seconds, partner A. Ready? Begin.